Magandang araw mga katagumpay! Ako po si Abby Trinidad at ito ang Pamilyang Tagumpay, kung saan tampok ang mga kwento ng sipag, pag-asa at tagumpay ng mga pamilyang Pilipino. At pati na rin ang iba't ibang pamilyang gumagawa ng pagbabago sa sarili nilang paraan. Ngayong araw, isa na namang masarap at makabuluhang kwento ang ating matutunghayan mula sa maliit na home-based kitchen noong panahon ng pandemya. Naging paboritong kainan ito ng marami. Tampok ngayong araw ang kwento ng Akachan Restaurant, isang Chinese comfort food resto na may puso, may kwento at may lasa. Alamin natin kung paano nagsimula ang kanilang pamilya sa simpleng take-out hanggang sa pagbubukas ng sariling kainan. Welcome po sa Pamilyang Tagumpay. Makakasama po natin ngayon sa ating kwentuhan ang anak po ng ating napakasarap na restaurant po, no? Dito po sa Akachan, dito po sa San Juan, Blumentritt. Ayan po. Gusto po natin i-welcome po lahat ng mga nakikinig at nanonood. At kasama po natin ngayon ang ganda at napakasipag, and loving daughter, I'm sure, na si Miss Angel Chan. Hello!
Hi.
Welcome po sa ating programang Pamilyang Tagumpay. Yan, dahil po nakasama po namin kayo ay membro na kayo ng Pamilyang Tagumpay program. Ayan. Ma'am Angel, paano po ba ito nagsimula? Ano ang sinimula ng Akachan Restaurant?
Actually, so the name itself is Akachan. So that's the name of our dad.
Okay.
Tapos, kasi like most of us in the pandemic, sa atin nasa house lang, tapos wala tayong ginagawa, medyo nakaka-bored. And then, yung brother ko, it was actually my brother's idea. Sabi niya parang, wala man tayong ginagawa, nasa house lang tayo, maybe we should start selling yung niluluto ng dad ko. Kasi ever since naman before, mahilig talaga siya magluto. And parang our friends and family would request na for his dishes, ganyan. So sabi ng brother ko, sige, let's start to sell.
Yes, to sell these 2 dishes. At introduce nga natin to Miss Angel, ano yung 2 dishes na ito?
Okay,
Kilala mo nga ngayon?
It started with chasiu. This is pork asado. It's parang you would see it every day in Hong Kong when you walk the streets, maamoy mo. And also the white chicken, which we call spring onion chicken. So these 2 dishes are very common in Hong Kong. Yeah.
Paano mo naisip to? Ba't ito ba yung best dishes na alam ni dad mo? O no, sabi mo nga paborito, pero bakit itong dalawa talaga na napili ninyo?
I think kasi pag ito yung niluluto niya, parang lagi kaming ginaganahan. And then, every time na makita namin or naaamoy na namin na niluluto niyan, sobrang excited talaga kami ng brother ko. So, that's why I think we decided na very sellable silang dalawa. And kasi, when you're in Hong Kong, parang it's very staple. It's very sellable.
Saleable.
Yeah, so, yeah, that's why.
So these 2 dishes unite your family. Parang ganun, di ba?
Yes, parang you can't go wrong.
Oo, at importanteng ito yung dahilan para magsama-sama kayong magkakapatid at mag-bonding.
Yes.
Yeah, so may talaga naman na hindi lang pang negosyo, talaga inag-umpisa talaga sa pamilya. Itong putahing ito, itong dishes na ito, inihain natin ngayon, sabi nyo nga, napili mo ito dahil ito yung pinaka-paborito ng pamilya. So, talaga it's really good for us, to sell what we really love to eat, what we really love to do, and what we really enjoy having, as an individual. So, kaya itong Pamilyang Tagumpay ay talagang doon talaga nagfo-focus, kung paano ba maging tagumpay, not necessarily in terms of monetary or finances, yung growth of relationship, yung relationship with the family members and of course our friends, bukod pa dito, Miss Angel, paano nyo to napagtulungan na gawin as a family? I'm sure may mga challenges ito.
Maraming challenges kasi first parang it's not always easy to work with family members, especially at home.
Yes.
Yes,
Oo.
kasi parang sometimes the boundaries you have, yung business and family.
Yeah.
Since it's just at home, there's no parang, yun, kunwari, you would clock out, di ba sa work, magka-clock out tayo. But if you do it from home, walang ganon.
Yeah,
There's no time, there's no, minsan matutulog ka na parang, minsan maaalala mo, nakalimutan ko i-marinate. For example, i-marinate yung chassis. So you would just go down, and then there's no such thing as magta-time out, magka-clock out na ako. Yeah, it's one of the challenges for me. But I can't say that for my brother and my dad. But for me, ako, isa yun sa mga nag-adjust ako. Another challenge is, of course, yung family. Iba-iba kami ng point of view.
Yeah,
Iba-iba kami ng opinions. So sometimes you really would clash.
So how do you handle that? To, pag may conflict or different ideas?
Yeah. That's not bad at all. It's not it's not a bad sign. It's actually a good sign kasi you guys try to meet in the middle. And then nagbe-brainstorm together, ganyan. And I realized parang the bond gets stronger then. You get to know each other.
Yes.
You get to know your family members, not as a family member, but like a business partner.
So, nadi-discover nyo, ito pala yung kanyang strength, ito pala yung weaknesses niya. So, nag-jive, magiging compatible yung paano kayo mag-decide or gumawa ng mga plans. Paano naging bahagi ng inyong signature dishes ang yung dad mo as the one who made the menu, or siya yung naging chef ng inyong special 2 dishes mo?
My dad kasi, his love language talaga is food. Ever since we were young, hindi lang, ang dami niyang dishes na niluluto for us. Sometimes, in the middle of the night, mag-midnights na kami together as family. Usually, he would cook for my mom.
Okay.
And then, syempre, kami ng brother ko, gigising din kami parang, oh my God, kasi ang bango-bango, ganyan. So, he's really the heart. Parang he really brings us together pag meal times. Especially growing up, sa totoo lang, pag kumakain kami ng meals or nasa dining table kami, bawal kami mag-phone, no distractions. When I was young, I didn't appreciate that. But now I understand na it's so important kasi to have conversations on the dining table.
Yes.
So it's not just the food, but it's also having conversations together or getting to know each other while eating.
Yes.
It's the bond, parang you share a certain kind of bond when you're bonding over food.
Yes, that's right. Actually, your restaurant started sa take out business, di ba? It started in your sa house, and then you decided to have a restaurant, a place like this after how many years?
After 4 years.
After 4 years. Okay.
I think to begin with, we really wanted to open up in San Juan City kasi this is where we grew up. This is where we live, ganyan. And it's accessible for us. Malaking bagay kasi yun eh. Yung pag ang dali mo lang puntahan ng restaurant mo, pag may emergency, tatakbo ka lang, ganyan. Yung challenge naman putting this up is we have 0 experience in restaurant. None at all. So talagang we really had to be resourceful and tap on to our friends and family na who can share like what's your experience with restaurants.
Correct.
So yun talaga, and we're really just blessed that people helped us, like they helped us put up this restaurant and they were so supportive.
I'm so amazed with the place and how you serve, knowing that it's your first time and you have no experience running a restaurant like this. So, what do you think is the secret of having a successful business like this?
It's really
as a family.
It's really teamwork. Tiyaga, and hard work. It's a lot of hard work.
Yes, and I believe yung love that you have in the family talagang really helped, right?
Super.
And of course, kung hindi inimpisahan ni daddy mo, kasi siya yung talagang nag-start. Siya yung talagang author ng itong special dishes niyo na ngayon. Anong masasabi mo sa dad mo, or how would you encourage or inspire other people or who really want to also have a restaurant like this or any business?
I think to my dad, I would say that I'm so glad that he allowed us to do this with him. Kasi nung start, honestly, he knows kasi the hard work of food industry. He has an idea, sabi niya, are you sure? Because it's not gonna be easy.
Okay,
You have to wake up early, you have to go to the palengke. It's a tedious work.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Yeah, very tedious. So, medyo na ano naman namin siya na persuade namin siya gawin. So, I'm glad that he allowed us to do this with him. And then to the people who are trying to who are starting small, I would say just tiyaga lang. So, tiyagain lang talaga. Because it's not gonna be easy. Not every day is a good sales day.
Yeah,
Merong times na medyo iisipin mo, tama pa ba itong ginagawa ko? Or like, yung mga ganun na things. But yeah, patience lang.
Is there a point that you thought of, let's close this or let's not continue doing this? Meron bang ganon?
No.
So wala
No.
dapat ganon.
Yeah.
Wala ba dapat ganon, ano, mga kaibigan at mga kamag-anak, no, na gusto mag-give up. So, since 1 year and 4 months pa lang ito dito sa San Juan, no, itong Akachan, ano ba yung mga plans nyo? Or may plano na ba kayo na mag-extend or mag-franchise or mag-branch out? Meron bang ganun agad na plan?
I think the next goal is to branch out, of course.
Branch out.
Yes. Yeah. So far, yun muna. And then we'll see. Yeah.
Yes, oo.
Shampoo, Viva, Copa, Monniera, Centella at may DHA pa. May Bilberry, Marigold at marami pang iba. Siksik sa natural na vitamina. Memorize na yan. Para sa ating lahat na mag-aaral. Memorize, lagi mo lang tatandaan. Memorize lang yan.
So again, Miss Angel, I saw the story of I heard the story of your dad and your family. Balik tayo dun sa pandemic time, no? What were the challenges you experienced during that time? Meron ba noon? Or mas easy ang business noon, nung home-based pa?
Actually, syempre number one yung safety. Kasi lockdown. And then we had no help at all. Zero. It was purely just me, my brother, and my dad. Yung brother ko, siya yung namamalengke before. So, and before nung lockdown, you need to have an ID para makalabas ka. Yung mga ganun na things. And of course, nakaka-running that time kasi you have to wear face mask pa. And then the face shield. And then di mo alam, you might contract the virus when you get home, di ba? But also at the same time, nung time na yun, mas madali mag-market. Kasi everyone was at home, scrolling through their phones.
So how did you sell? Through online or phone or?
Online talaga. So, malaking help yung nagkaroon kasi ng community sa Viber ng mga food. People selling food, so we started there. And also on Facebook, may mga groups especially yung Philchai community.
Yeah.
Meron ganun. So my brother started posting. Siya yung matyaga mag-market.
So talagang may yung social media, may talagang physical si dad mo, and ikaw naman yung naggumagawa ng idea ba? Or nag-create ng...
Ako yung parang naging...
creative part ka ba?
Yeah, ako yung naging assistant ng dad ko. More of like, he would pass on the recipes to me and then I would help him cook, ganyan. Yeah.
So, can you share with us your experience in the transition from home to restaurant? No? How were you able to have that smooth transition? Meron bang struggle doon? Or may mga doubts or what?
Maraming struggles. Kasi to begin with, wala nga kami experience. But it also, I wouldn't say it was really smooth. I don't think Kasi with the construction pa lang, a lot of people would say parang, oh, open up a restaurant, okay, just come up with a good menu and the food. But a lot of it goes at the back, yung pag-construct ng kitchen, yung kahit yung mga tables, yung paggawa ng tables, what would fit, what would be the best, yung structure ng kitchen, structure ng dining. So, a lot of those things. And then, struggle, wala akong masabi na pinaka-struggle, but I just remember it being not easy.
Not easy,
Yeah, it wasn't
Kasi
easy.
kung struggle, parang dapat may in doubt pa ang kayo doon, di ba? So talaga it's really God's will that you really have to pursue with what you want as a family.
Yeah. And I guess a part of it is learning, at the same time unlearning things na kinasanayan mo sa house. Kasi hindi na siya, syempre, this is a restaurant na. So yung mga things na kinasanayan sa house, it's different in a restaurant setup.
So ganda, unlearn and learn.
Araw-araw ang digmaan. Umaga't gabi sumasabak sa laban. Dapat protektado ka outside at inside. Immune Advance contains 4 active ingredients gaya ng lagundi, malunggay, non-acidic vitamin C at zinc. Tulong pampatibay resistensya para tulong proteksyon. Isama pa ang proper diet at exercise. Para katawan ay handa, Immune Advance helps support a healthy immune system. Immune Advance ang sandata. No approved therapeutic claims. Ang Immune Advance ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit. Available in Shopee, Lazada, and other leading drugstores.
Platinum Pro, ang bisa ng 600mg caplet at yerba buena, moringa, lagundi at vitamin C na mga go food for morning flexibility and whole day mobility. Kaya walang aray sa palaging pagkilos. Platinum Pro. Platinum Pro.
So thank you very much, Miss Angel, for the inspiring story. Ano pang pwede mong ma-share sa ating mga manonood na who wants to start a business at home or sa sarili nila and would like to pursue or have their own branch or shop or a business like this, establishment like this? As a daughter of a good father.
I guess patience is number one. And also take time to learn. It's easier, things are somewhat easier to do if you take the time to learn. So, alamin mo yung mga details of everything, tiyagain mo. Even if, for example, you want to put up like a food business, alamin mo even the suppliers. All, like everything talaga. So, yeah. Yun lang.
And ano ba yung role naman ng yung faith mo? Faith ng you as a person or as a family member sa business nyo na dito sa restaurant na to? You think that your faith in the Lord has really helped and
of course.
Yun ba yung nag-guide sa inyo or and also syempre yung pag-submit nyo sa father mo as the expert dito sa ating 2 dishes na hinain mo ngayon?
I think when it comes to faith, my mom is very faithful. So the best thing she ever passed on to us was her faith. And I don't think na looking back at the pandemic, it's crazy to think that we would come up with something that would really sell. There was never a day na wala kaming nabenta.
Wow,
and if you think about it, that's only that's God's work. So faith talaga, and also as a daughter, of course, I have my role is somehow to be obedient to my dad.
So obedience daw po. Obedience sa magulang and ano pa. Of course, no, yung humility, no, dahil lahat kayo nagtulungan sa pamilya and ginawa niyong bawat role niyo as a businesswoman, businessman, ano. Akatsan po ay hindi lang pagkain, no? Ito rin ay experience, karanasan. Ano po ba, ma'am, ang nais niyong maramdaman ng mga tao na pumapasok sa Akatsan? Ano ba yung gusto mong feeling or experience as they come in? No?
Of course, we want them to feel it's very homey. When they eat,
which is true.
Yes, it feels parang comforting. The food is comforting.
Comforting.
Yeah.
Meron kami mention na honest everyday Chinese comfort food. But mean honest, no?
Honest,
Yeah.
basically, it means straightforward, no
So,
frills.
Yes. Oo.
Yeah.
Straightforward. At saka talagang genuine talaga yung sarap niya, yung talagang natural, no? Oo. And how would you keep the authenticity of the Cantonese dishes?
Of course, number one is quality control. So, quality check. You always have to check.
Yeah.
Kahit gaano katagal ka na in like putting in the restaurant business, you still have to check your quality and set standards. Another thing is, of course, you have to malaking role yung staff, the people that are working for you and with you. So, of course, you have to take care of them also. Yung syempre yung mental health nila is so important para they can also give you quality food.
Yeah.
They can serve with yung good service, ganyan. They have kailangan okay sila lagi, gano'n.
Yeah, dahil tagumpay pamilya po tayo, no? Do you think, no, you also have to treat them as your family?
Of course.
Paano mo, how do you show that they're, you consider them as your family?
Yeah. Of course, you have to treat them like family kasi they really help you. And honestly, they're also, especially for us na just started, they are also, may mga things din kami na nalalearn from them. At the same time, parang give and take lang. They learn from us, we also learn from them. And they take care of us, we take care of them also. Yeah.
Di ba? Ang ganda. So, ang pamilya ay hindi lang po natitigil sa bahay natin, kundi lumalakad po to sa trabaho, sa church, o sa community. So, yan po yung ibig sabihin po ng tagumpay ng isang pamilya. Sa lahat po ng pinagdaanan ninyo, no, Miss Angel, what would you like to share? Important thing or the blessing that you experienced that you want to share with us, with our televiewers?
I think it would be prayers really work.
Yes.
Super. As in,
Prayer, yes.
When you don't know what to do, you pray. Whatever it is, you pray. You're
Yeah.
sad, you pray.
Correct.
You're worried, you pray. You're happy, you pray.
That's right.
Yeah.
So, kasama sa recipe ni Sir nila, ma'am, yung prayer. Ayan.
Yes.
Okay, Miss Angel, your last message or how would you like to invite our San Juaneños or sa taga nakatira sa Metro Manila to try Akachan restaurant?
Yeah. If you're looking for authentic Chinese food, come and visit us. So our best sellers is the char siu and the spring onion chicken, and actually also our siomai. It's one of our best sellers also. So if you're craving, come and visit us.
Thank you, Miss Angel, for inviting us. And of course, we would also like to share this with our televiewers, friends, and families. And I'm sure they would really love your dishes. Thank you very much, and God bless you more. God bless you, your family. Kaya naman po dito sa Pamilyang Tagumpay, lagi pong tagumpay ang pamilyang Pilipino. Thank you, Miss Angel.
Thank you.
Minsan, hindi lang produkto ang binubuo sa isang negosyo, kundi pamana. Ang tatay ang nagtanim, mga anak ang nagpatuloy at ang buong pamilya ang nag-aani ng tagumpay. Sa Pamilyang Tagumpay, tampok ang kwento ng isang ama na hindi lang nagtayo ng negosyo, kundi nagturo rin ng disiplina, malasakit at pananampalataya. Ngayon, hawak na ng kanyang mga anak ang operasyon, pero hindi nawala ang puso ng tatay sa bawat desisyon. Ito ang negosyong hindi lang pinagpaguran, kundi ipinagdasal. Negosyong hindi lang lumago, kundi naging simbolo ng pagmamahalan at pagkakaisa ng pamilya. Yan ang ay dapat. Negosyong may ugat, pamilyang may layunin, at tagumpay na tumatawid sa henerasyon.
Mga katagumpay, sa kwento ng Akachan, nakita natin na ang tagumpay ay hindi lang nasusukat sa laki ng lugar o restaurant, kundi sa lalim ng pagmamahalan at paninindigan sa isang simpleng pangarap. Isa lang ang mensahe, kapag ang negosyo ay galing sa puso at pamilya, lalago ito, lulusog at mag-iiwan ng marka. Ako po si Abby Trinidad at ito ang Pamilyang Tagumpay. Hanggang sa susunod ng kwento ng pag-asa, pananampalataya at tagumpay.